Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Cruelty Free Vanity. Today I have a nail tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial, but it's gonna be a first impressions. I am beyond excited to do this video, guys, because it's been so long since I had my nails done. And I'm not talking about manicures and stuff like that. I'm talking about like fake nails, like acrylic type of nails. That was only because I never found a salon that offers vegan products, from the polishes to the soap they use to the glue and acrylic powder. So I never really found an all vegan nail salon. So I just never got my nails done. The last 8 years, the last time I got my nails done was for my wedding in 2010. So that is 8 years ago. So that's why I am super excited to show you guys this product because it's vegan, cruelty free, and amazing. So I'm sure you guys already seen the title. I am going to be trying out the Dimension Nails Day Slayer Gel Builder. I do want to mention I've never ever in my life tried a gel builder before, so this is very new to me. When I first did it, I didn't really know what to expect, so that's why I wanted to film a first impressions of that product. I also want to mention that I'm not a professional at doing nails, but I did go to cosmetology school and I did learn a lot about manicures, pedicures, and I also learned how to do my own acrylic nails. So I actually used to do nails for my friends in school. So let's get started with this video because I just can't wait to show you guys my nails. I am super pumped, super excited. I feel extra girly today because of my nails. I know that's super dumb. Without further ado, let's move on to the first impressions and how I use this product. All right, so for this, we're gonna be using the Day Slayer Gel. This is a gel builder from Dimension Nails. So this is pretty much what it looks like. And like I said, this is my first time trying a product like this. I have used acrylic powder in the past, but that was ages ago. Needing the base coat. This is also from Dimension Nails. Of course, we need some tips. So I'm gonna be using this brush right here that I got in a set. I think I got this from Marshall's. And this is a synthetic bristle type of brush. I'm also going to be using a LED light. This one's from Dimension Nails. So for this, we're going to be working on this hand. As you can see, my nails are very short. I did already buff the nail. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is look for the tips that fit my nails. And I'm just going to kind of size them up like this. And this one fits on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and glue them to my fingernails. All you're gonna do is just glue them. All right, guys, so I thought my camera was recording, but it stopped recording while I was gluing these. So all I did was just glue them to the tip of my nails. We're gonna go ahead and cut them down with just a regular nail clipper. I went ahead and got just regular scissors because the nail clippers was just making a very ugly cut. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have seen people file this little part right here. When I used to do nails, the acrylic nails, I never used to do this, like file this little part down so that it's all smooth, but I guess this is a new thing that you do. I feel like the whole filing in between the nail and the fake nail to make it a more smooth transition, I don't know if that's necessary because, I don't know, I just feel like I was filing a lot of my natural nail and I was trying not to, but it was kind of hard to avoid that and just, you know, file like, I don't know. It was just, to me, it's kind of pointless, but I'm trying to follow the rules and how I've seen other people do it so I don't mess up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and shape my nails. But I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of cut the sides right here. There we go. And then over here as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and just file them down. Have the nails shaped and cut. This product to work and to stick to your nails, you do need a base coat. So I'm gonna be using this one again from Dimension Nails. So I'm gonna be applying a very thin layer. Trying my hardest for the base coat not to touch my skin. So only applying it on my nail and the fake tip or the fake nail. Next step, it says to cure the nails when you apply the base coat, and I think the best way to do this is gonna be like this so that I can get, you know, most of my nails in there, and I'm gonna have to do my thumbs separate. They are now cured. I'm gonna go ahead and start using the gel, which I am super excited for. Like, the little brush that I have is super small. I wish I had a bigger one, but I don't. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit of the product. Wow, this is very, I thought it was gonna be thicker. Ah! Oh my God, I think that was way too much product. I should have gone with less. Oh my God. I'm just gonna pretend this is like nail polish. I'm just gonna put it a very thin layer first and then build it, because if I put a lot of product, it's gonna become very messy, like the pinky kind of was. So just a very thin layer first. Looks like I did a pretty good application. The pinky is the only one that kind of looks somewhat messy. So I'm gonna try to clean that up a little bit before I cure it. Okay, so I just finished curing the first layer of the gel builder, and surprisingly, it didn't have a very strong smell. So of course, we're gonna have to keep building on this. What's working for me right now is to apply the most of the product right here, where the tip, where I don't have anything under, like I don't have a tip under, and just kind of pat it very carefully not to touch my skin again. Kind of just work my way down to the tip. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna spread this down like this. Remember when I was filing, when I first applied the tips to my nail, and I told you guys that I've seen people in videos that they file the middle part where the fake nail is glued to your real nail so that it's like a smooth transition and it kind of just feels and looks like it's one. And you know how I said I felt like it was unnecessary? Well, now I know why it's necessary, because I didn't do such a good job at filing everything down to make it very smooth. I feel like no matter how many layers I put, this side over here, this area where there was no tip, was always very thin compared to the tip. So I wish I would have done that, but now I know. So the next time I can do this a little faster. So it's been, oh my God, it's been an hour, guys, that I've been doing one hand. Only one hand, but again, this is my first time. So I know next time, I know what to expect. I know what to do different, so that hopefully it is a little faster. So now all I have to do is wipe my nails down with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and that's what it says to do, because it does have kind of like a tacky like layer right now. I think that's called the moisture layer. So we're gonna do that, and I think I'm gonna do that with a cotton round. Now what I have to do is file more. So yeah, I have to file more to make it, you know, a little more perfected, just to perfect the shape and kind of, you know, shape the top of it. Right, anybody, so I'm finally done filing and building these nails. As far as the color that I want on my nails, I'm gonna go ahead and use my color, which is Juicy Papaya. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I did collab with Dimension Nails to create my own nail polish shade, and this is what I came up with. It is a very tropical color. It is more of a corally. What I really love about the nail polishes, the air dry polishes from Dimension Nails, is that they're super quick drying. They dry so fast. I was super impressed when I first received it. I was like, wow, I don't think I've ever had a nail polish brand or formula that dries this fast on my hands, which is great. So highly recommend their air dry polishes. And we are finally done. And just like you saw in my first impressions, I am in love with this product. I just can't believe that I have fake nails after so long, and it's vegan and cruelty free, and it's supporting an amazing woman. Stephanie, the owner of Dimension Nails, is just a fucking sweetheart, guys. Besides her offering cruelty free, 10 free nail products and vegan products, she also collabs with a lot of vegan bloggers, whether they're beauty bloggers, food bloggers, fashion bloggers. They're all vegan, and I was part of one of her collabs. I had the opportunity to do my own nail polish with her, which was such an amazing experience. The color right here, it is called Juicy Papaya, and I got to name it. I got to choose the color, and the bottle also has my Instagram handle, so it says color by @thecruelty-free-vanity. Like I said earlier, this color is just a very fun color. It's very springy, very summery. It is more of a coral type of pink. I do have a lot of pictures on my Instagram, little collages of women of different skin tones wearing the Juicy Papaya on their nails or toes. And I wanted to do that so you guys can see what it looks like on different skin tones. And anyways, I just wanted to take a little bit of time and introduce Juicy Papaya to you guys, because I realized that I hadn't told you guys about this. I actually been talking about this on my Instagram since it came out last year, and we're already in June and I'm barely telling you guys now, so I'm sorry about that. But here it is, Juicy Papaya. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys found it helpful. If you guys did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you guys really enjoyed the content. If you guys have already subscribed, thank you so much. And please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. That is pretty much just gonna alert you every time I post a video. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.